Everyone, this is Theo here, back at you again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the Joystick Packer. I mean, not Packer. I guess it would be a pack and play. So let's start off. So this is the package it came in. It's very discreet. On this set has my address and anything, but all it really says is my name, Theodore McClintock, my apartment number, all of that. It has a little postal QR code, and then it just says Just Creations Incorporated. So now I'm gonna go open it up for you. Alright, so first thing I see right here is this little back bag. Guess it's the carrying case. Inside of that is the vibe right here, and the charger. The charger for this one's kind of interesting. It's not like you really can buy it anywhere else, but this little guy right here. Then we have the dick in another carrying case. I got the darkest color because I'm black. It comes with this little syringe. It was inside the dick. Alright, so this is what it looks like. You can see there's like little veins all over it. The head is pretty detailed. You can squeeze it, open it on up. And you guys can look at all those details if you want to. Right here. Alright, is there anything else in here? There is a note. It's just basically like little instructions for everything. I'm gonna fill this dick up with some water. I wanna see what that's like. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so I have the syringe filled up with water. I'm gonna insert it into the dick. So this thing has a reservoir that you can fill up, overfill it a little, and it's supposed to be able to like squirt. Let's see. Let's hope you guys can see it on camera. Shit, it went really far. Yeah, so you can just kind of squeeze that and it will like go out. I squeeze all of it at once. If you give it a nice hard squeeze, everything will come out. I will be doing a review on this soon. Let's just see some of the vibrations real quick. I'm gonna unwrap this. So you just go ahead and put it in this way. And then right here, it has a few settings. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. And then it has different settings. I have a lot of them, and I think you hold it down to turn it off. So this is what it looks like with the thing inserted. I got the 7-inch model. They have a smaller one out now. I decided to go bigger because I asked my friends what they thought would be the best, and that's what they said. Oh, still some in there. So you just kind of like put your thumb under here. So yeah, that's all I really have for the unboxing. Probably in like a month or so, I'll do a review for you guys. Maybe a little bit longer than that. And I should also be posting an update video on like what's been going on in my life and why I haven't uploaded in like 4 months. But I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.